first thing I'm gonna do is get my hair out of my face for you guys. So my friend Julia actually makes these. So Julia owns a clothing company that uses only organic cotton, and everything is made in NYC, so sweatshop free. And with all of the fabric scraps that she gets from the factory, she makes scrunchies and these really cute little headbands and stuff. So if you guys like this, go check out Mia Coda and support my girl. All right, so first I'm gonna take, by the way, I don't even have anything like laid out here. I'm just doing my makeup like how I would do it if you were sitting right here getting ready with me. So I have clean hands, and I'm taking the Juice Beauty Illuminating Primer and just one pump of that. And this is a Gressa foundation brush. It looks mini because the handle fell off, and I decided that I like it better this way. So she was very sweet. She offered to send me a new one, but I was like, you know what? I actually like it like this because it's easier to travel with and stuff. So the actual brush part of it is totally fine. It was just that the handle came undone. But I love this brush a lot. Okay, now I really wanted to show you guys the Ilia foundation because I've just been obsessed with it. It's so good. But I do have a little bit of self-tan on right now. So this is like my true perfect foundation shade. It's in SF5 Selena. When I don't have any tan or anything on, this is like my true perfect shade. But since I'm a little bit tanner than normal, I'm gonna mix it with the Juice Beauty Phytopigments Flawless Serum Foundation, which I used all summer when I was tanned, and like this foundation is just so good. I'm obsessed with both of them, and they actually mix really nicely together as well. So I'm gonna take 2 pumps of this Ilia one, and then just like a little smidge, I don't even have that much left to be honest, just a little bit of the Juice Beauty one, since it's the shade that I have is a little bit darker, so it will mix together to make a really nice shade for me being a little bit tanner than usual. Okay, so I'm just mixing it on the back of my hand and going to apply all over my face. So my skin has been like honestly the best that it's ever been, ever. And I will be doing a video for you guys telling you about the products that I've been using that have, I mean, transformed my skin. Like completely just, my skin has never been this good. Like I have no breakouts at all. I had a lot of congestion like in this area, just like texture, like, I mean, I would get like actual real, you know, pimples here too. It really happened like after I went off of birth control, and this is the area for hormonal breakouts, so I knew that and it all made sense. But it was really hard for me. I was getting facials a lot, and like they were just like, oh my god, your skin is so congested. And it didn't really look congested. Like when I put on my makeup and stuff, like, I don't know, it wasn't like I was embarrassed to go out or anything. It was just like I knew that my skin was not in wonderful shape, like when you really like looked at it. So anyway, I went to get a facial at this really good place in Brooklyn, and she was the esthetician that did my facial, was the one who actually recommended this brand of products to me. And I was like, you know what, okay, I haven't changed my skincare in a long time, so maybe that's what it is. And I'm just so grateful for her recommending me these products because like I said, they transform my skin. So look out for that video because it's coming to you soon, because I need to, you know, just share the wealth. Okay, foundation's done. I feel like that took me a really long time, but it's probably gonna take me longer than usual since I'm like talking through everything. But next up, we're gonna do the Bamboo Blur Powder. by 100% Pure. This is the tinted one, actually. I've always just used the white translucent one, but I saw that they had a tinted one now on Petit Bourg. So I was like, let me try. I'm just taking like a really big fluffy brush and dusting that kind of all over my whole face. Oh my god, I forgot to wash my beauty blender. That's really embarrassing because it's like so embarrassingly dirty. Oh god, that's embarrassing. Whatever, just please don't judge me. I'm sure everybody has really dirty beauty blenders, right? The thing is, I don't really use it like wet anymore, so when I have to wet it, obviously I would like clean it more often. And also then it's more important to clean it more often since it's getting wet and there's like more chance of bacteria accumulating. Oh no, oh no. It's bad, it's worse than I thought. I just like to take a little bit of the powder on the beauty blender and just do it in like my T-zone to really like press in the foundation and like really set everything. I also do it over my eyebrows too. You'll notice I don't use concealer, which again is like really says a lot about the skincare that I don't even have to use concealer. Also says a lot about the foundations that it really evens me out enough to where I don't have to use concealer. But I'm grateful, you guys. I'm just grateful for that concealer-free life because it just makes it look so much more natural, you know? Like I don't have multiple layers of things. I just have a nice like clean layer of foundation and that's it. This is kind of hard to do my brows like so far away. Yeah, let me move it up a little bit. I could do this. Okay, oh no. I'm taking the 100% Pure brow, whatever they call this. I never know what to call it. It's not a gel and it's not a powder. It's a, I don't know what it is. Anyway, everything will be linked. And this is like my new fave little angled brush for brows, and then I wipe it off and also use it for my winged liner because it's super precise and like thin. It's from Eco Tools, which is like my go-to for cruelty-free brushes, which are super affordable, and you can get them at Bed Bath & Beyond. So you can use the 20% off coupons, which obviously saves you a nice little bit of money to get them for even cheaper. So, okay, brows are good or what? I feel like my makeup never comes out as good like when I do it on camera because I don't know, I'm just like not in my proper element. I'm like trying to worry about talking to you guys and being in frame and like not as close to the mirror as I would like to be. Okay, I'm just making excuses now. All right, next, let's do bronzer. Oh, actually, my bronzer's in the bathroom. Let me go grab it. You girl. Oh my goodness gracious, I just knocked my earring right out of my damn ear. It's that hoop life. Okay, so I'm just doing some contouring and bronzing with the Elate bronzer in Goddess Glow. I have to say, it really does give you a nice little goddess glow going on. And just to add some dimension back into your face. Okay, next up, highlighter. Yo, I'm so ride or die for this highlighter. Like, I'm so glad that I found it. I spoke about it in my Petit Bourg haul. And I'm obsessed. I hope it it comes out good in this light. I actually already kind of have a little dewy glow going on, but look how much like better this makes it. Bam! That's a really pretty one. And then I put it on the edge of my nose. Edge. Tip, I mean. And Cupid's bow. That was the Adorn highlighter, by the way. What else? What else? I'm gonna do my eyes, but I kind of want to just keep this video just foundation and skin. And also, I don't think I really have time. Let's see, do I? All right, screw it. I'll do my eyes real quick. I forgot to, what I usually do with my beauty blender while I'm powdering, but I forgot to do it before. I usually just go with my beauty blender over the whatever foundation got onto my eyelids for a base. And I find that this like really keeps my eyeshadow from creasing all day. So I'm actually going to be filming a video after this, so that's what I'm getting ready for. I will just walk you through my typical eye routine though. I'm taking a 100% pure bronzer, which is a little bit too warm for me, or I don't know what it is. It's just like too red. I mean, it's not so bad, but I just prefer it for a eyeshadow contour or eyeshadow like crease color instead of an actual bronzer. You can see how much more red it is than my actual bronzer. So this is always what I use first, just to kind of contour my eyes a little bit, make them look like they're bigger than they really are. If you guys hear little feet hopping around, Alex is back there, and I need to clip his nails right now. So right after I clip his nails, he just is like a little fluffy cloud hopping around because I can't hear him at all when his nails are clipped. But when I know I need to clip them, when I can hear him hopping around. But it's kind of good because then I can, you know, like know what he's up to, since he's always up to no good. He's so mischievous. I'm gonna take this orange shade from my Johnny Concert, like Z palette or whatever you call this. And I'm gonna put that a little bit in my crease too. I love this shade a lot. I love warm colors on my eyeballs. It just like really, I don't know, goes with my coloring a lot. Okay, let's speed it up here, girl. I'm taking the Aether Beauty palette, which I have a whole video on. I'm gonna take this golden shade, put that on the lid. This little orange shade is really pretty too. I love this palette a lot, you guys. This is like the only palette I use now, pretty much. There are some mattes that I still like from Johnny Concert, but as for like shimmers and stuff, I just really like this Aether Beauty one a lot. I'm just like, I don't even know what the heck I'm doing right now. I'm just kind of mixing all different things, and I'm using the same brush because I'm lazy AF. But it kind of all blends together and looks pretty, so. Okay, I basically just took like these three shades right here. This gold, and this rose gold. Ooh, a little birdie outside my window. Okay, what next? I have to show you, I'm like obsessed with this black eyeliner. It's from Hush and Dottie. That's the brand name. I got it from Petit Bour. And I'm using that same angled brush that oh my god, I almost put it in my damn eyebrows. Okay, wait, I can't talk when I do this. Okay. I'm using that same brush that I used for my eyebrows, that really nice, precise, angled brush. And it's so good. This one's a little bit thicker, but it's okay. Always when you go and try and start fixing it is when you mess it all up. So it's just gonna have to stay. Good enough, right? And then I just wipe it off so that next time when I do my eyebrows, I'm not filling my eyebrows in with black eyeliner. Okay. What else? I guess I'll put on a little bit of blush, which I don't usually do on a daily basis, but just because I am filming. This is 100% pure brush from some random palette. This is the Pretty Naked Natural Face palette. And it's this like second thing in here. This is like the only blush that I use. I don't use blush often, but when I do, it's this one. But it's pretty. I actually should wear blush more often. It adds more color to my face, you know? Okay, and then, where's my mascara and stuff? Oh, it's in here. It's in my little travel baggie. I usually do my I usually do my makeup on the train. I feel like it's made me way better at doing my makeup. Like, it's forced me to have more of a steady hand. So now I feel like I could do my makeup on like a freaking roller coaster and I could still like be good. So this is the Anika Beauty Long Lash Mascara. It's vegan and organic and you can get it on Amazon. Highly, highly recommend. It's pretty much the best mascara I've ever used. And I've been using it now for a while. I used it in the Aether Beauty eyeshadow tutorial too. And if I'm like bundled AF right now, it's because my heat like doesn't work. And because I just got my period today, and like, you know, sometimes on the day that you get your period, like you just feel like your uterus is cold. Am I the only weirdo who feels that way? I really wanted to have my heating pad on me like while I was making this, but it didn't reach, so like I'll just have to deal with a cold uterus while I film my video. Oh my god, my other earring just fell out now. What the heck is with these things? So what I usually do is wait like 5 minutes and then do another coat of mascara, because it really works. Like after it's already dried, it just like, the second coat is like, whoa, crazy. It just like sticks to it really nicely and makes your eyes look really big and voluptuous. And I'm also going to put on some lashes since I am filming. But, oh no, I gotta wait for that to dry, and then if you wait for it to dry and then kind of like scratch it off, just, or take a little brush and wipe it off, that's the best way to do it. If you do it when it's wet, it's gonna smudge and be no good. So, sorry, don't mind my mascara right here. I'm gonna fix it, promise. But that's it. Hope that you guys enjoyed my little updated foundation routine / talk through, get ready with me for a day of filming, and I'll see you guys in the next video.